Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a very important eye makeup that we all keep struggling in, how to choose the right eyeshadow according to your dress color. So today I'm going to be showing you the same. So as you can see, I'm wearing a pink dress with some golden flowers design. So the shades that I'm going to be choosing will be from a pink family. So let's start the makeup by exfoliating my face. The exfoliator that I'm using is from PAC Cosmetics, and if you're a professional makeup artist, then this is a must in your vanity, as it is a very good exfoliator and it leaves your skin soft and dust free. After exfoliating, I'll be using a toner. Here I'm using Dabur Gulabari Rose Water, and using a cotton I'm going to pat it on my skin. Now to moisturize my face, I'm using PAC Cosmetics Aqua Blast, which is a water-based cream and will help in hydrating your skin. Again, if you are a professional makeup artist, this is again a very nice moisturizer as it is good for all skin types. For the primer, I'm using Embryolisse cream, which will also moisturize my skin and will also prepare my skin to hold the makeup for a longer period of time. Now I'm going to start with my eye makeup. To conceal my eyes, I'm using Forever 52 concealer in the shade COV001, and to pack this I'm going to use PAC Cosmetics Concealer Brush and set it with a mini beauty blender, which is from Eyeshadow. Now I'll be using Imagic Pro Professional Cosmetics palette. From this I'm going to pick this classic shade using a Eyeshadow 04 brush number, and I'm going to pack it on my brow bone area. Now to create a crease, I'll be using Morphe 35C palette, and from this palette I'll be picking up the lightest pink shade and will be first packing it on above my crease line area, and after packing I'll be blending it very nicely. Now again, using the same palette, I am picking the bit dark pink and I'll be using it just below the crease that I've created before, and yes, I'm going to blend it very nicely. So whenever you are picking any new shade, just make sure that it is nicely blended. Now using Eyeshadow 03 brush and using the same palette, I'm picking up another darker pink shade and I'll be packing this on my outer corner of my eyelids, and then we'll blend it in the outward direction. So now again I'm placing a bit darker shade and will pack it on the same place where I have placed my eyeshadow earlier, and will blend this. This time I will not blend it outside, I want the shade to be blended inwards. Now from the Eyekonic palette, I have picked a black shade and I'm going to place it on my outer corner of my eyelids and will try to blend it on the same place. Here I'm trying to create a depth on my eyes so that my eyes look a bit wider. Now to cut the crease, I'm using same concealer. To cut the crease, always use a flat brush and try to first place it on your eyelids, and then you can open your eyes widely. Yes, and that's the exact place till where you need to cut the crease. So this is the easiest way to cut the crease if you are a beginner. Using W7 Glow for Glory palette, I'll be taking a flat brush and will place this shimmery white golden eyeshadow all over the place, and on mid of my eyelids I'll be placing golden shimmery eyeshadow. Now using my Eyekonic palette, I'm placing a black eyeshadow on my eyelids in a slanting way, just how we apply a liner, and then I'm going to blend all those harsh lines. And yes, for my waterline I'm using Lakme Eyekonic Kajal in the shade black. For my liner, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics liquid liner and I'll be creating a wing liner with this. Now for face makeup, I'll clean all the fallouts using a wet wipe. To make the cut crease look more prominent, I'm applying a golden glitter liner. on the crease. As you can see, I have a lot of pigmentation, so to cancel out this pigmentation, I'm applying Kryolan 303, and I'm going to blend this with a Wise She Beauty Blender. For my foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Bakhlava, and I'm going to take a drop of this on the back of my hand, and I'll be using a flat brush and dot it out all over my face. And then I'm going to use a Wet Beauty blender from Wise She, and I'm going to blend this very well into my skin. For my contouring, I'm using L.A.Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply it on above hollow of my cheekbone area, nose, and to cancel out my double chin, I'm also going to apply it on my chin area. And to blend this, I'm using a contouring brush from Wise She, and I'm going to blend all this very nicely. To get a nice glow and highlighted face, I'm using a cream highlighter from Ever Beauty So Glow, and I'm going to apply it on my higher points of my face, and I'm going to blend this with a foundation brush from PAC Cosmetics. Just remember that whenever you are applying a cream highlighter or a blusher, just make sure that your base is not set with a powder. Otherwise, after applying a cream over a powder, your makeup will start creasing and cracking. And even if you want to apply, just apply it using a Wet Beauty blender and try to use a pat motion. This will save you from creasing. And for my favorite palette, Tartiest Pro Glow and Blush, I'll be highlighting, blushing, and also I'll be using a powder contouring for my face. To set my waterline, I'm using my Eyekonic eye palette, and I'm going to use a pencil shaped brush and set the waterline. For my lips, I'm using Color Bar lipstick in the shade 106. You can also use a lighter shade if you want, or a natural shade for your lips. And yeah, that's the final look that I've created. I hope you all love this look. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're loving my content. I would love to have all your suggestions. Please come up with your suggestions in the comment box below. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.